Hey everyone, I'm Chaser and welcome to Tech Square. Today we have a few more audio devices from LG. Big shout out to LG for sending us the XBOOM-go PL series Bluetooth speakers for testing and reviewing. So we have 3 speakers with us, the PL2, PL5 and PL7 speakers, which LG showed off at CES 2020. We have previously reviewed the PK series speakers on this channel, and now let's get our hands on the PL series speakers. So I unboxed them for you already. The speakers come inside a regular box, nothing fancy or anything. All the speakers are inside the box sitting on top of a foam frame. There are USB-C cable for charging and some documentation from LG. Other than that, there are no other things included inside the box. Anyways, let's talk about the speakers. The PL series speakers come with a new design than the PK series. For starters, they have a rounded shape, whereas the PK series had a square shape. The PK5 and PK7 had X grip handles and had a certain level of ruggedness in their design. However, in the case of the PL series, with their rounded shape, they look kinda cute. They're also significantly compact and lightweight than the PK series speakers. The speakers are made of plastic materials with a rubbery matte finish. The finishing is polished very well and adds more to cuteness. The rubbery matte finish does look good and has quite the grip when you're holding the speakers on hand. All the speakers have this bendy shape on both ends. In PL7 and PL5's case, that there are passive radiators on both ends with XM lighting, while the PL2 follows the design language of its bigger siblings but does not have passive radiators on both sides or the XM lighting. Instead, the single-channel PL2 wireless speaker has a 1.75-inch woofer and a passive radiator inside the speaker. Although its bigger sibling, the PL5, is a 2-channel speaker that features 2 1.75-inch subwoofers and 2 passive radiators on both sides of the speaker. Meanwhile, the PL7 is also a 2-channel that comes with 2 2.3-inch subwoofers and 2 passive radiators as well. On top of the speakers, there is a battery indicator and buttons for controlling the device. You got the power button and the button for pairing over Bluetooth, button for volume up and down, play pause button, and the sound boost button. Behind the speaker, there is a lid, and when you open the lid, you get a multi-pair button to connect with multiple speakers to have the surround sound. There is also a dual link button to connect with another speaker for you to enjoy his stereo sound. There is a light button that lets you keep the lights turned on or off to have the party effect or to save battery life. The reset button is there to reset the speakers to factory settings. There is a USB Type-C port to charge the speakers and a USB-A port to use the speaker as a battery pack to charge your smartphones and low-power devices. And lastly, we have an auxiliary port to connect the speaker with your PC or smartphones over a wired connection. PL2 only comes with the dual button, reset button, auxiliary port, and USB Type-C port. So let's see the features of the speakers. LG is leveraging their relationship with Meridian Audio in all of its audio devices. With Meridian technology, you'll get the premium quality sound and able to hear deeper bass, richer tones, and clear voices. And this is true when it comes to the audio performance of the devices. All of them offers great sound quality with a crisp clear voice, good amount of bass and beats. On the bass boost mode, the speakers keep the mid unchanged while boosting the bass and beats to the degree that not only you'll be able to hear increase in bass and boost, but also feel it. The accent lighting on the PL7 and PL5 along with the powerful sound, you'll have no way but to turn your party grooves on. I haven't quite got the time to play with them yet, and I'll review them in detail in another video. However, one thing I must mention that surprised me, the smaller PL2 was really loud despite its size and single subwoofer. Even with its tiny size, the PL series offered good amount of bass, clear vocals, powerful beats, which was surprising and quite amazing in my opinion. Anyways, as for battery life, you'll get up to 10 hours with the tiny PL2. Meanwhile, the PL5 is rated for up to 18 hours of music playback, and for the PL7, it's up to 24 hours. Now, I have yet to test them out, but I think it's possible to get close that number if you turn off the accent lighting, bass boost mode, and don't connect with similar devices. Anyhow, I'll let you know how long they can run when I make full review of them and get to play around with those speakers. You should hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for future uploads. Now, the PL series speakers have an IPX5 rating. Since all of them are IPX5 rated, I believe they will be able to withstand accidental spillage or light rain. You can even take them to your pool parties, but make sure not to play catch with them, cause that could seriously damage your speakers. These speakers also have microphones in them, and when you connect them to your Android or iOS devices, you can call up Google Assistant or Siri right from the speaker. You can receive calls, talk through the speaker. With the lg-xboom app, you also have access to so many different options. So that's all I have for now for the lg-xboom-go PL2, PL5 and PL7 wireless Bluetooth speakers. I don't know the retail prices yet, however I'll make another video reviewing the speakers more in depth after I get to play around with them. Although in this short period, I can say these speakers are easily recommendable. They have decent sound performance, good amount of bass, beats and crisp clear vocals. Anyways, that's it for today and I'll see you in another video. If you like this video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Comment your thoughts below, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and press the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.